taking pictures of... Oh my god, oh B!
So today we're going on a trip to Ipswich and we're gonna be canoeing or kayaking for choice. I hope they have paddleboarding and this is our Pokemon Go. Hopefully it doesn't rain today. It says it's gonna rain around 2 and right now it's almost 1 o'clock. Canoeing midway and then it's our pouring rain. Well then we can make a vlog about it. Sing a song.
It's a beautiful day. I'm just looking for something to do. Hey Linda, do you want to go canoeing? Wow, I never make it to this part. Eating some cherries now that I'm sitting in the middle. Let my bitches work. Work, 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 work. I got a bag full. Would you like a cherry? So sad. I'm trying to see when I'm money so high and the girls get down. Wishing I was with you right there, but girl, it's so cheap.